how to fix Among Us app connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Now here, so scroll down and search Among Us app from here. So you will see Among Us app is here, so click on Among Us app. So if you want to fix Among Us app connection problem, scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, click on clear cache. Now here, so click on clear data. So after clear cache and clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so after the process, go back to home screen and open control center and turn on flight mode. So after turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode, so after turn off flight mode, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Among Us app connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.